Hey teachers and parents, and welcome to Math Unlocked, where I get to offer you strategies for teaching math for grades 3, 4, and 5. My name is Miss McCarthy, the creator of McCarthyMathAcademy.com, and I'm on a mission to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick for you so that you can get out there and support the students that you work with. In today's episode, I'll be breaking down some strategies for rounding numbers to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100, which is a 3rd grade skill. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it and let me teach ya. All right, everyone, so here we have a number. And the very first thing that I would do is to make sure that our students can read this number. So this digit 3 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place. We need to make sure that we say the name of the hundreds and slide the rest of the way. This comma right here closes that ones period that we were just in, and now we're entering into the thousands period. That digit 5 is in the 1000s place. Cool, so to review, we have the ones, tens, hundreds, a comma splits the periods, 1000s. That's part of my place value song if you need help with that. And to read this number, we would read it as 5,173. All right, but we're here to round numbers. So you can see over here, we're rounding to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. So here is what I would suggest doing. First, I'm going to go ahead and write this number. So I have a rounding song that I use, and it goes like this. The directions say to round to a specific place. Cool. So find and underline the place they gave you. So what they have given us is the tens place. The nearest 10 or the nearest tens. So find and underline the place they gave you. Draw a box around that digit and all the other digits before it. Now throw down a number line. Here we go with the number line. Splat. Our given number is between this and that. So let's go ahead and focus on what the this and the that is. So we have 517 tens. So 5,173 will be between 517 tens and the next 10, which would be 518 tens, or 5,170 and 5,180. Make a mark to show halfway. So halfway between those two would be 5,175. 5,173 comes before that halfway mark right here. So we're going to round down to 5,170. And that is how you round to the nearest 10. Let's try it with the nearest 100 now. It's the same kind of thing, but this time the place that we're given is the hundreds place. 5,173. So if I'm using my song that I've created, the rounding song, the directions say to round to a specific place. Cool, so find and underline the place they gave you. The hundreds place is right here. Draw a box around that digit and all the other digits before it. Now throw down a number line, splat. Okay, the given number is between this and that. If I'm using the number right here in the box, we have 51 hundreds. So it's between 51 hundreds and the next 100, which would be 52 hundreds, or 5,100 and 5,200. Make a mark to show halfway, and our halfway between 5,100 and 5,200, or 5,100 and 5,200, would be 5,150. Our number comes just after that. It's probably right about here. So we can say our given number, 5,173, is right about there. So we're going to round up because it's past the halfway mark. 5,173 is closer to 5,200 than it is to 5,100. So you can see here we're using a number line and we're using strategies based on place value to round this number. So that's how you do it. I hope that this makes sense for you. And if you're looking for even more videos on this concept and lots of other skills, I'm about to break down some next steps that you can take. I hope you found this episode to be helpful. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. It's an easy way to support the content that I bring to you for free on YouTube. If you're a teacher or a parent, especially in Florida, you'll definitely want to check out McCarthyMathAcademy.com. Here is where I offer fast math freebies, including a playlist of fast math-style problems and video lessons to support your teaching. For those ready to dive deeper, check out Taking on the Best, a monthly membership packed with video lessons, student guides, extra practice, error analysis videos, math tasks, mini assessments, and much more, which are all strategically aligned to Florida's best standards. With 3 levels, bronze, silver, and gold, you can choose the support that best fits your needs to promote student growth and skill mastery. Would you like to take Taking on the Best for a test drive? You can sample 1 standard per grade to find the right plan for you. Do that by simply requesting a free trial. And if you're gearing up for the final fast math assessment of the school year, definitely check out Taking on the Fast, a 15-day countdown series with video lessons and fast-style math problems. Start with a sneak peek of day 1, and when you're ready, you can make a one-time purchase. And if you're thinking about the gold plan for Taking on the Best, good news! Taking on the Fast is included in your membership. While many of my followers are in Florida, I know that there are teachers and parents everywhere looking for support. That's why I created McCarthy Math 155 with 155 video lessons for each grade level, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. You can also sign up for a free trial to McCarthy Math 155 to explore it before signing up for a monthly membership. And finally, if you've enjoyed my math music videos on YouTube, you can also jam out to ad-free versions on my website. You can find all the links below, and please feel free to email me with any questions that you have. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, get out there and make the world a little bit brighter in your own special way. See you next time.